Can I join your team as a trainee so I can see how things work? Because I consume a lot of content, but to put knowledge to work, I need proper training. You don't have to pay me and you will get help. Okay, this is one of the most and commonly asked questions I'm sent, and request emails. I need help, I need training, I will work for free. So first of all, I don't take advantage of anybody like this. If we are hiring somebody, then we will pay them. Secondly, I don't know who you are, what you do. Now, if you kept coming on these calls and in my Facebook group asking questions, answering questions as well from other people who need help, I would you will be on my radar, right? And I'll say, oh, you know what? This chap always helps everyone. And he knows a thing or two about Google Ads. I need to talk to him. Because you see, you need to look at this from my point of view. I've got 50 people emailing me in the last few weeks, right? And why should I pick you from that lot? You need to differentiate yourself. So this is what you need to do. You need to go on your social media channels. You need to join groups, communicate in there, join the conversation, give value upfront. This is what I'm doing always. Give value upfront, right? For free. I'm not expecting anything in return. But then people see me as a Google Ads expert, and then they come to me for help. So when you start doing this, you will get noticed, and then people are going to ask you, "Oh, you this reply you gave for this question was really amazing. I want to have a chat with you. I want to have a conversation with you." So that's how I would go about doing this. So at the moment, unfortunately, I can't um, add you to my team, but we always are hiring more people.